Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Art through Meenakshi. I hope all of you are good, and today I'll be showing one resin art technique. So let's make it. So let's open the resin. So here is the first one. This is the resin, art resin. And now the second one, this is the hardener. These are the resin art pigments. As you can see, I bought 4 colors. Now I have to mix the resin and hardener in 2:1 ratio. For mixing the resin, here I have used the paper cups and few ice cream sticks so that it will mix properly, and after using it you have to throw it because it will very hard, so I have to throw it. So now I'm just adding little bit amount of pigment. Now you just mix it properly. While you are making this resin artwork, please make sure do not touch the resin with your bare skin or bare hand. Here I made few stones by using molded clay. You can use the original stones also. As this is the customized order, all the materials like fridge magnets of all the water animals, wooden sheet, these are all provided. Now this is also one starfish, this is also provided. Now these are some seashells. So I'm just adding one by one, using the very little amount of white pigment with the resin for making sea waves. Using the straw and just mixing the colors. Now here is the final look. It is totally done. Now let's keep it for drying. If you like this artwork, please let me know in the comment section below whether you like it or not, so that I will make few more resin artwork. Please subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you everyone.